Voyager, Voyager, Voyager. The Upkeeper Voyager Turbo Series is boldly going where no cleaning system has gone before. It's the world's most powerful portable cleaning system. No mere vacuum cleaner or blower even comes close to Voyager Turbo's power, efficiency, and flexibility. Cleaning is finally safe, fast, and easy. Voyager Turbo means an end to your difficult cleaning problems forever. Don't confuse an Upkeeper Turbo with ordinary cleaning systems you've seen before. When did you ever see anything clean like this? The Upkeeper Turbo is a powerful, portable cleaning system for your whole plant. Vacuums use suction with only 60 to 80 cubic feet per minute of airflow. They quickly lose their power when the going gets tough. Other cleaning methods are even worse, spreading dirt and dust throughout the air, contaminating your workers and your products. But an Upkeeper just keeps going. Because our advanced turbo technology uses 500 cubic feet per minute of airflow, you won't lose power, even 30 feet or more from the turbofan motor. And Upkeepers are built to be tough. The outer body is sturdy cast aluminum. The super impact resistant impeller is designed to perform well in extremely hostile environments for years of reliable use. During rigorous abuse tests, this tough impeller stood up to 33 pounds of nuts and bolts, so it's sure to be reliable through your toughest cleaning challenges. Another Upkeeper innovation is the use of the optional GE Lexan Super Tough polycarbonate attachments. You can clearly see Upkeeper working, and when the surface you're cleaning is not clearly visible, these clear tubes let you know when your work is done. And the Upkeeper Turbo is safe and easy to use nearly anywhere. The upright cleans wide open areas with ease. The mobile and the portable Voyager Turbos are designed for cluttered areas. They can clean way overhead, way deep in dirt and trash, and in places that are way out of the way of an ordinary cleaning system's reach. The 3 cubic foot bag is designed for ease and maneuverability in tight spaces, around plant machinery and equipment. Emptying the bag takes just 3 or 4 seconds, and you're on your way again. The Upkeeper Voyager Turbo Series has several important cleaning power and safety features, including 5 peak horsepower motor with an average life of 5,000 working hours for 110 volt motor, 2,500 working hours for 220 volt motor, 500 cubic feet per minute airflow, heavy-duty motor and cast aluminum construction, oversized 3 cubic foot collection bag. The Upkeeper mobile and portable models use a 4-inch diameter intake tube to pick up bulky scrap and litter from floors and around machinery and equipment. And 2.5-inch diameter tools and accessories clean fibers from overhead lights, vent screens, railing, and ventilators, air conditioner ducts, sprinkler heads, chains, automatic control boxes, etc. The attachments give you unlimited reach in cleaning without having to use a ladder. With optional tubes, the Upkeeper cleans up to 30 feet high while the operator stays safely on the ground floor. It's lightweight too. The portable weighs only 13 pounds, so you can use it with ease. A complete set of attachments is included with the mobile and portable Voyager Turbos, along with a handy tool caddy that makes multiple cleaning jobs easy. Cleaning with Upkeeper is safe too. It's UL approved and features the overload switch to shut off the motor to prevent damage in the event of blockage. Just clear the blockage, press the reset button, and resume cleaning. The limit switch prevents operation when cover or accessories are not locked in place. The built-in thread guard deals effectively with thread and long fibers that cause trouble with vacuum cleaners. And the dual pole lighted on-off switch meets worldwide electronic standards. All models are available in 100 volt, 110 volt, and 220 volt motors. The original Upkeeper was manufactured almost 50 years ago. Today, the Voyager Turbo Series sets new performance level standards beyond those we've set just 5 years ago. Using fan turbine technology, the Turbo Portable and Mobile have more power than ever before for those hard-to-reach places. This is the quick and easy way to clean up overhead and underfoot. The Upkeeper Voyager Turbos offer a safer, faster, and more efficient alternative to blowdown. It cleans in 1/3 the time of traditional methods. Attachments have an unlimited number of uses around equipment and cluttered work areas. Voyager Airflow picks up leaves, wood shavings, fabric scraps, notions and cotton fly, bottle caps and drinking cups, even aluminum beverage cans. Voyager picks up and eliminates bulky debris and trash that would choke ordinary equipment. Voyager removes cotton dust, fiber, material waste, and litter. Use the Voyager in textile plants, apparel factories, amusement parks, stadiums, movie theaters, nightclubs and bars. Just about anywhere there's a tough cleaning job to do. Our customers say it best.
This is lightweight, air-cooled, shoulder-mounted, and very well balanced. It's excellent for overhead cleaning, floors, around the machinery, and inside the plant.
We have several apparel production lines, and cleanup used to be a big job. But with the Upkeeper Voyager, one man can now clean up 2 lines in a half an hour.
We contacted others in our industry, and their comments were that the Voyager is great. We use it to keep cotton lint off machines and floors, plus general plant maintenance.
The Upkeeper Voyager Turbo Series is the most trusted equipment you'll own. It is backed with a 5-year limited warranty and 50 years of research and development. Upkeepers are made with pride in the USA. For a demonstration or ordering information, call toll-free 1-800-451-3466.